Axie Infinity is an NFT-based game built of the blockchain. The game allows for users to earn monetary gain and is by far the most popular play-to-earn game known today, with almost 3 million active daily users. It is currently the most popular dApp, and the next version of the game, Axie Infinity Origin, is expected to come out in the next few weeks. Not only that, but Axie Infinity is home to the most expensive NFT collection. It has been widely publicized on numerous occasions, including extensive coverage on the sale of digital land, which went for 1.5 million US dollars. If you agree with me that there is a potential in this blockchain game, now we come to the question, how do we profit from Axie Infinity? As there are three main currencies in the game: SLP, AXS, RON. And then we have NFT options like Axies, land items, and land plots. But what are the pros and cons of each coin? What's the difference? Let's dive in. Smooth Love Potion SLP is a cryptocurrency users receive for playing Axie Infinity and is primarily used for paying breeding fees. However, it can be sold on exchanges for monetary gain. This is the main way players earn money on Axie Infinity. Axie Infinity Shards AXS is ERC20 governance cryptocurrency for the game, which allows for staking and payment use. It is also earned while playing the game and used for paying breeding fees just like SLP, but the similarities end here. Both cryptocurrencies are unique and different in a vast number of ways. All SLP tokens are always in complete circulation, while AXS has only roughly 25% in circulation. The tokenomics behind both are completely different, and so are the use cases. Axie Infinity Shards are with a total supply of 270 million. The cryptocurrency has three main purposes: governance, in-game voting rights and the receival of rewards; staking, locks up AXS but rewards with new AXS; and payment, breeding fees and participation within the economy. Currently, you can stake up to 2 AXS for 120% yield per annum, not bad at all. Both AXS and SLP can be easily bought on Binance and transferred to Ronin wallet within minutes and with a very small fee. The RON token, however, is available just on Ronin, an Ethereum sidechain by Sky Mavis, the creator of Axie Infinity. The RON token enables users to pay for transactions on Ronin and also includes decentralized finance features like community governance and future utility via staking through validators to earn rewards. Only 15% of the total RON tokens are currently in circulation. RON aims to speed transactions and eliminate expensive gas fees for players. In November, the Layer 2 or Companion blockchain, product from Sky Mavis, processed 560% more total transactions than the entire Ethereum blockchain, according to a report from Nansen. RON can not only be purchased but also be farmed on the Katana decentralized exchange by providing liquidity. The next way to invest into Axie Infinity is by buying NFTs called Axies. They are relatively cheap right now and one could buy them for profit. Or you can buy 3 expensive ones for playing and earn around 50 SLP a day, or roughly a US dollar a day at the current SLP prices. This is the most risky investment, but of course with the biggest upside potential. Let me explain what I mean with this. Sky Mavis is constantly updating the cards and making some Axies more valuable and other less valuable before each and every season. Currently we are in the off season, meaning there could be a new update patch coming soon. But what's more important, after the Origin launch, pretty much everything about the game will be changed. This will give a huge demand for new Axies to be bred, as the best Axies for Bado version 3 probably don't even exist yet. And this will create more demand for AXS and SLP if we look back at those two tokens. All these points make it almost impossible to predict whether buying an Axie is a good investment now. In other words, more risk with probably more reward. I hope now you know more about the different tokens and NFTs you can purchase within the Axie Infinity universe. As you can see, there are more than one options with plus and minus points. Perhaps the best option is, as always, to diversify. At least this is what I'm doing. I have 10 Axies for about 100 SLP gain a day, 2 AXS tokens staked on Binance, and I am farming Ron on the Katana DEX. What is your opinion about the future of Axie Infinity? Let me know in the comments below.